Throwing two dogs together and letting them work it out themselves is not a good idea. Don't assume anything about the behaviour of an unknown dog. If in doubt, don't introduce dogs unless you have professional assistance. It is essential to learn dog body language to prevent unwanted incidents. Here's some suggested guidelines. Have one handler per dog. Meet in a neutral environment first, not one of the dog's homes. Choose larger areas, not confined spaces. Allow ample time. Don't rush or force, and let the dogs go at their own pace, allowing for escape and space for retreat. Try to introduce relaxed dogs, not highly aroused dogs. Use loose leads rather than tight unless required for safety and to remove dogs from each other. I often hold a short length of lead loosely and let it out as the dog walks away. I'm quick to tighten to prevent a problem. In this case, the greyhound was following the Cocker Spaniel, who was seeking distance. If he had kept following, she would have turned and snapped to get him to stop. Intervene only if required and distract quickly if needed. Increasing distance between the dogs and giving time to settle helps prevent the situation escalating. Here's how Zuri, the Rhodesian Ridgeback, and Turbo, the greyhound, met. Turbo is only wearing a muzzle as it was required by law. It wasn't for safety. Zuri is only off lead because she is my own dog and I know her history of meeting other dogs extremely well. She is more confident off lead and has a reliable recall away from dogs.
Oh, damn.
What do you want me to do?
That was fine. I was just getting ready. Yeah, keep it loose. Good girl, Zuri. Yep. Yes, Zuri. Good girl. Good girl.
Okay,
Nice. Nice. Yep, that's good. Good. Up. Good. So she increases distance. Good.
Okay.
I want to set up the camera, but I don't want to miss the early stages because this is where we'll get a good idea of. Well, that's good.
What does that say?
Already, that's a good sign. That's nice. Turbo. Good boy. Snuggly. He likes being snug.
He does.
Hot, aren't you, buddy? Wow, you're relaxed, Suri. That's good.
She's having a great.
Oh,
Here's how Zoe, the Cocker Spaniel, and Turbo met. Zoe was walked for half an hour in the park prior to the introduction. She appeared eager to meet him, but once she got to him, he kept trying to sniff her butt, which she didn't much like. She reacted when he didn't get the message.
Take him away because that was. So get closer to him. Yep, get his attention.
It took half an hour of carefully planned manoeuvring to get Zoe comfortable. She was tense when Turbo approached her, but braver if he turned away and she could approach him.
He's getting great. This would be great. Nice. Good. So if you see she needs help, you move her away and she follows, so that's good. See, when he's interested, she's not interested. Even if I get him to look away, that helps. Even if he doesn't move, if he looks away, it takes it. Yeah, good. Nice. So that's kind of good that they're able to be this close. Hey Zoe, what are you doing? What are you doing, sweetie? Good girl, good girl. I got you. Good girl. And I'm just ready to block just in case, all right? So I got her to come to me. She didn't really want to.
No.
She paused and then she decided, yeah, I do want to cuddle. But I've made her get too close. So if I've made her do that, I need to be ready to protect her just in case she gets worried. So she wants to engage with him now. She feels more confident. Good.
I wonder if it's because he's down and he's
Yeah.
down, he's
Yep.
smaller.
It would all. Yep.
Good thinking there, aren't you?
Yep. Everything. Whether he looks at her, his body posture, if he's staring at her, if he's standing, sitting, lying. Yeah, you need, because I'm videoing, so I can't do much. So Ali, you get ready to grab if we need, okay?
Okay.
All right, that's good. That was very brave of her. Nice. Nice.
Seriously, Zoe?
That's really good.